XRP price prediction. The descending channel that XRP has been trading within saw XRP rejected at the channel's upper boundary at $0.462 and sellers drove the prices to a level of support at $0.436, which represents a 38.2% retracement level for XRP for its surge from $0.179 to $0.757. At the time of this video, the most recent trading session had not yet closed, but the price was trading beneath the level of support. Over the next few hours, it is likely that XRP sinks lower and retests $0.436 as resistance. The awesome oscillator registered rising bearish momentum and stayed beneath the zero line. XRP recovery becomes a major uphill battle despite stronger on-chain metrics. Ripple is trading within a descending parallel channel while facing increased overhead pressure. MVRB shows that most Ripple holders are at a loss and are unlikely to sell. XRP whales increase their risk appetite in spite of the weak technical levels. Ripple will resume the uptrend to $0.5 if the channel's middle boundary support is reclaimed. Ripple has been filling out what could be either a symmetrical or ascending triangle since its last pump in February, while ranging from $0.42 to $0.49 since February 24th as it tightens into the vertex. Anticipating a breakout within a week or so with slightly bullish bias, my confidence of a move in either direction is not great. Daily indications most looking for confirmation, remaining neutral slight bullish bias. Currently my bias is slightly bullish due to the price action holding the 0.40 area as well as the directional index still maintaining the plus DI above the minus DI with a potential for a plus DI ADX cross suggesting a continued bullish trend. The shown linear regression channel has the -2 standard deviation finding confluence with a Fibonacci cluster in the $0.40 to $0.39 range, which indicates that this could continue to be a strong area of support. Some bearish factors are that the RSI is still in what I consider to be a slightly bearish zone below the 50 level as well as the MACD having both the MACD and signal lines below the 0 center line. So price action. For bullish impulse, a bullish impulse candle breaking out of the triangle with a solid close above $0.50 would likely indicate a run upward. For bear, a bearish impulse candle breaking out of the triangle with a solid close below $0.40 would likely indicate a run downward. RSI. For bull, RSI breaks above 55 corresponding with a solid candle break and close above $0.50. Bear, RSI breaks low below 38.2 with a solid candle break below $0.40. ADX. For bull, plus DI crosses above ADX, which is white line. For bear, minus DI crosses above plus DI as well as ADX indicating trend reversal. MACD. For bull, MACD line which is blue pulls up and crosses above signal which is orange. This bullish cross happening on the zero line would be a very bullish signal. For bear, MACD continuing below the zero line and maintaining this downward trend. Given the recent news released that SEC and Ripple have agreed on dates regarding the arguments for a motion to dismiss, all due by June 4, 2021, there is no clear ending that the current legal battle. That said, there appears to be a technical indication of some sort of move in price action in the very near future, though I am uncertain what the catalyst would be. As the price drops further, Ripple whales' risk appetite becomes insatiable. Sentiment's holder distribution metric reveals that large volume holders are consistently filling their bags. For instance, whales holding more than 10 million XRP bottomed out at 297 on February 22, traced a 30-day moving average and have shot up to 309 at the time of this video. The increase in the number of whales with tokens from 10 million to infinity is a bullish signal. As the buying pressure rises, Ripple's tailwind is bound to intensity, eventually lifting the prices higher. Ripple's MVRV ratio stands at 0.43 and shows the profitability or loss of XRP to its holders. According to sentiment, this on-chain metric tracks the average profit or loss of those holding XRP tokens which moved in the last 30 days based on the price when each token last moved. Note that an MVRV ratio of 2 shows that XRP holders on average have a return on investment of 2x the initial investment. On the other hand, an MVRV ratio of 1 or less says that most holders are at a loss and therefore are unlikely to sell. In other words, it's a good time to buy XRP as recovery will eventually come into the picture. Ripple's technical picture is weakening, leaving tentative support levels vulnerable. Losing the descending channel's middle boundary support opened the Pandora box. Meanwhile, the lower edge of the channel is functioning as the immediate support. The downtrend has been validated by relative strength index as it drops toward the oversold area. It is worth mentioning that it is not all lost for bulls because holding above the support channel's lower edge could return market stability. Moreover, gains above $0.45 are likely to shift the focus back to $0.5. However, the uptrend will not come easy due to the hurdles anticipated at the 100 simple moving average and the 50 SMA on the 4-hour chart. While the rest of the market takes off and XRP and Ripple awaits its fake SEC case to be resolved, a bullish pennant flag has formed on the daily. We should see 25% gain in the next 24 to 48 hours to 0.57. Ripple is ready to go higher due to the fact that price is continued trading between resistance zone and support level. Price can continue this way and start going up to resistance zone soon. Inverse head and shoulders spotted on the 15-minute chart. Easy to see, so hopefully this gives an indication to a potential rise in the price. RSI showing bullish momentum too. Let's see where the market will take this pair. So this is not a financial advice. Please do your own calculation and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more technical analysis. Thank you everyone.